Hi guys, in this video I'll cover Baidu. This one the same as JD and PDD and Alibaba, just has been going up for the past weeks. I find this a little bit of a difficult chart to analyze. The long term one, like to place the exact wave structure correctly. I don't know, this is all a bit difficult because it's been going since 2014 just sideways. I think this is, yeah, this looks to me the best way to count it. Maybe this 5 should be here and then this is your correction, but it doesn't really matter. What I'm doing is I mean, it does matter, maybe, but for me, I'm just looking at this part. For me, this is the same as JD. It's just been grinding down, but lower volume than previous red candles, like here, and then these moves downward, how should I say it? They were going more down more quickly. Now, this one is just more overlapping, especially since July 2024. It's been, bottoming, I guess. Also, you can look up their financials. This one, but also the other Chinese stocks on the US market. They look very good. The thing that bothers me is if I end the correction here, if this is a 1-2, it has come down deep and just it's so long in time compared to this move up. But okay, worst case scenario, this is just an A, B, C, and then we will go down further. But this zone was interesting to buy. Now it's already, you can't, if you buy here, you're probably gonna get wrecked. No financial advice, you can do whatever you want. Just know what you're doing and don't just jump into something because you have green candles. If you buy green, you will get red tildes. That's always what I say. 1-2, 1-2, I'm counting from the low. Then price literally coiled up here and then bam. The last month it has gone up 50% almost. I count this as a double 1-2, but it also could be just a 1, and then this is just a sideways correction 3. No matter what the situation is, price has, even if this is your 1 and this is your 2. Okay, wait, if this is the case, this is actually better, I would say, but look at the pre-market, it's already above your next FIP as well now. But I'm just uncertain if it's a multi 1-2. If it's a multi 1-2, you can see, these are the FIP targets for your wave 3. Okay, your wave 3 can always push higher. These are just target boxes, but you have FIP levels that go you can add the 3 FIP, for example. Look, you're not even there yet, but generally these targets here are good targets for a wave 3, but now exactly the price is at the 3 FIP if I count from this one to setup. But again, this one is a little bit actually this here counts I can see a 5 wave move here. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5, and then if this is your wave 2 here, counting a 5 wave up, you could 1 2 A, B, C, and 3, 4, 5. But this would be then a diagonal. I'll say this too reacted to the 618 perfectly. If I this as well. So I'm just gonna leave the double 1-2 scenario here for the sake of it. So what we are looking now is this 3 unfolding. We will get a 4 and a 5 after it, hopefully, to complete the yellow 3. But as I said, maybe this all is your wave 2, like this, and this is already green 3. What's the difference? When this move is over, we will have the support box for your wave 4 here. If it's the blue scenario, I will take it from here to whatever the top is going to be. Price is already here now because that's the pre-market level, this orange dotted line. If it's the yellow scenario, the fibs go a little bit deeper. Invalidation would be the 618, so yeah, it gives you a little bit more room, you know. Like here it's $98 level, here it's like the $100 level. So that's the only difference. But I'm gonna say it's the double 1-2 scenario for now. Also, yeah, look, if you consider this all as a wave 1, then yeah, your wave 4 is 2.5. Your wave 4, I'm saying your wave 2, if this would be it, is like 2.5 times the length of your wave 1. I mean, it's possible, but yeah, I'm just overthinking again for no reason at all. Just let this play out. This was obvious. You held a higher low, you held again a higher low, 618 levels both times, and yeah, nice numbers, especially the Alibaba ones. JD also. So you saw the sector was, yeah, ready to boom also with just this. And yeah, now it's unfolding, now it's playing out. We're gonna see and find out how it continues. Ideally, we would have, yeah, these yellow 5 waves up complete and take this swing. Because okay, here now we took this one and we took this one as well already, that's good. But if you, yeah, look here, every time you retraced, again, you just failed to take the previous high. Here you did it, barely, and then you crashed down again. But now, yeah, this might be another move like this, you know. Here you could say, oh look, this inverse head and shoulders pattern, boom, we're gonna go, but nope, it broke down. Now though, we took this high already, we took this high already, next one is this one. If we can hold above it, it would be really nice. I'm gonna put this swing back here. Just like to follow, you know, if price comes down, that I know like, okay, this was the previous swing, can we stay above it? Because for me, on this chart, it's, yeah, important. Then for the first time, you would have higher low, maybe a higher high here as well, then another higher low. But yeah, we're talking on the weekly chart now, it won't be something that's gonna happen like right away, it will take time. Weekly RSI at 77 now, daily RSI at 86, so this one is like, okay, this is hot, like 90, approaching 90 level RSI on the daily, that's hot, in the sense that expect a pullback soon. Okay, it can still go, it's going today again, but expect this wave 4 soon, of course. no crystal ball, no financial advice, but I know that I won't be surprised if this move starts. Let's say it like that. Because risk is now way higher than it was here, and yeah, if you don't understand that, you need to do some reading and learning. You have your, like I said in other videos as well, you're holding your fibs 1 2 1 2. You have your move now. We will get like, yeah, maybe something like this to complete this. But this all, if you're a trader, this is entry, this is exit. Price will come down in a larger two, and then that's again interesting to open a trade. If you're a long-term investor, this don't matter. Then these numbers and the economics of the company matter. The numbers matter. The news about like what they do, their sector, that matters. Then it doesn't matter if you buy just every month. You just, yeah, buy at an average cost that increases, decreases depending on the price, but ultimately it will go whatever the company will do in the future, you know. And you don't have to worry about moves, dips from 20, 30, 40%. If you're long term, you're in the game for long term. Yeah. For me, this company always looks healthy. Like these just give your earnings and your like revenue, but if you go deeper in their balance sheet, etc., it looks good for me. But again, I'm not an economist. You should learn and look at these things yourself. Okay, this video is getting pretty long. I'm stopping now. Hope this helped you a little bit. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.